how to enable Snapchat Plus badge on your profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can enable Snapchat Plus badge on your profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually go ahead and then basically add a Snapchat badge to your profile, it's very simple to do so. So if you are a Snapchat Plus user and then you want to have the little cool badge next to your profile, if I just come to my profile, here you can see this badge that indicates that I am a premium or the plus user. For that I just need to go to Snapchat Plus features, and then I just need to go to Snapchat badge, and I just need to turn on this toggle. By default it will be turned off, and if you want to turn it on you can just turn it on. And of course, if you send snaps to someone, people who are using Snapchat will also be able to see that you have Snapchat Plus or the premium version. So that's all it takes to go ahead and basically add a Snapchat badge to your profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.